Yeah, hi. This is Nilanjan Bhattacharya, and we are from Team TechSprinters, and we have built Medic AI. So our product actually is a software which is built for hospitals and patients both, and they sort of like collaborate to make the platform quite great. So what we do is we actually help people predict diseases and also to make our ML models much stronger. What we have done is we have used something called federated learning. What we have done is we have found out a very unique way to run ML models in client sides by using some sort of a desktop application which runs a Flask server on the client side, and it helps us run machine learning models on the client side. I'll explain it in a whiff how it happens. So you can either join as a patient or you can join as an organization. So if I join as a patient, I'll be able to give like 5 symptoms of that I have been facing, and I'll be able to know some what kind of disease I have. I'll just show you a demo. Let's just give any 5 symptoms. Yeah, and it says that I might have urinary tract infection. Right, so this is all based on the data. However, this model itself might not be as strong enough. However, what we have done actually makes the model, eventually makes the model stronger and stronger. So what I'll have to do for that is I'll have to join as an organization. It tells me that I'll have to download our client, and which is actually a Flask server that will be installed inside our software. This has been done via Google Storage buckets. So actually, if I click this, it download something like this. I won't actually download it once again because I have it download already. So I'm just gonna skip this part. So once it's downloaded, I must run my application in administrator mode so that it can do the necessary objectives. And once it's done, we're good to go. So my server is already started. No, not this one. Just a minute. This something like this will appear on your home screen or anywhere where you have downloaded the application, and once you click it, I'm sorry, I think I made a mistake. I'll have to run it as administrator. Yeah, once I run it as administrator, I'll be able to. Yeah, now this is running, right? So sorry. Yeah, so let's just go to click here, and we'll be able to upload our models right now. I actually have a ready-made data set for me. It's training1.csv. So when I use it, it gives me a prompt that I must start my server, otherwise it's not going to work, right? So if I train my model, yeah, it gives me an option to download the new model that has been created. It's going to be a .pkl file, and I can download it wherever I want. Let's just say I download it on my desktop, right? So here I save it, and it's done. Now once this is done, we'll go to the most important part of our application, which is where we can create the NFT out of these models. So what we have used is we have used the flow blockchain right here, which allows us to upload these .pkl files to the blockchain, and once we do so, it stores these .pkl files in the form of IPFS URLs in the blockchain in order to maintain number one, the anonymity, number two, the authenticity of the models, and perhaps a lot of other things that come along with the blockchain, right? So this is how we first of all we get a prompt to connect the wallet. So if we do connect, click on it, we can I think I'll be using Blockto to connect for this one. And yeah, it's gonna give me another prompt. I think it's taking some time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give my email, right? So I'll just give. Once I register, I'm going to receive an OTP, which I'll have to enter. Right, I think I did not receive the OTP. I'll just try it again. Uh, Try to connect my wallet. I think I made some mistake. Right. Yeah, this time I've received the email, and just a minute. Yeah, it gives me a prompt to confirm my wallet, and once that's done, our system can recognize the wallet address as a current user from the Flow client library, and now I am free to upload my .pkl model that I had just downloaded in my desktop. Right. So I'm just gonna say I think it was model, what I saved it with. Sorry, model.pkl, right? Yeah, I think I've opened the correct file. I'll just upload it, and it says this may take a few seconds as it's interacting with the blockchain, and it's gonna prepare a public URL for us, which we will be able to access. And yeah, now as we can see that the contract has been successful, and yeah, oh, actually not yet, so we'll have to approve the transaction before that happens. So, and yeah, now the transaction has been successful. What we can do is we can copy this URL and we can paste this inside our browser. Yeah, which sends us to our NFT which we had created inside our .pkl file. Of course, it's a .pkl file, so we won't really be able to see it, but we'll only be able to download this file. If it was any other kind of image or any other kind of file, we would have been able to see it. However, at the current moment, it's really difficult to access this wallet address. However, if any of you try it out on your own systems are able to access this wallet address, you will be able to find out that an NFT has been sent into your account, and that really verifies our transaction, right? So that really proves that the system is really working, and that's all there is to it. Thank you so much. Uh, yeah.